Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. It's time for another edition of Scootervision. This week we went out to the second annual Best of the Nest car show supporting the Yulee High School cheerleading squad. It was a great show. It was an awesome show. Official count was 165 cars. Now that's something else for a second time show. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Morning. There is coffee there. Right at that crate.
I don't know if I want to
Everything's in the shade on this side.
And they want your make and model.
The Ford's El Camino.
Yeah. Got the Mustangs growing over there.
Yep. It's that turbo Mustang.
I've already got my 50/50. Yes, ma'am.
Big Red there's longer than I am.
Yeah.
But they figured it out.
Is it the same length, do you think?
It might be a little long.
Okay.
I told her to go past the fire truck.
What on, y'all? How much?
How much? We have a nice crew here so far.
Wife don't come with you?
She works and weekend she gets off, she works when she gets off.
Yeah, I understand.
She's got the bathroom all taped off. She done that 3 weeks ago. I said, when are you going to paint this bathroom? Don't you worry about it.
So maybe you need to get that one coming up. You got it cranked. You say so.
Pretty sure it's not. Didn't go up far enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that red GT.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I guess they're saving spots for somebody.
It looks that way, don't it?
Yeah. Cheerleaders can get video. You put in your lights in.
Yeah. That's showing up what that is.
Yeah.
4 air.
Oh. We'll get pictures of the fire truck.
Yep.
Come on.
Now gets out there. Let's join these beautiful ladies. We need some help out there. All right, these ladies got. Come on, help those ladies out.
Once the carpet is down,
How you doing?
Just fine.
look on mine like late 70s, early 60s, 65. Hey, what's up, brother? Big damn crowd. Hey, man, you ain't no dog fan?
No, not at all. I got good taste.
I've been meaning to take that thing up. We can't wear the air conditioner.
They use this during war.
think them Gators got a chance tonight?
I don't know. We got some guys.
That's awesome. I'm great. I'm glad it's.
So we appreciate all the support.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Hey! Alright, good morning YouTube. We are live in beautiful Yulee, Florida at the Yulee High School, where today they are holding a car show to support the Yulee High School cheerleading squad, the Best of the Nest car show. And as you can see, we have had a massive turnout of cars. I mean, I think this is the second or third show they've done. So they're getting kind of popular with this car show. There's a lot of cars out here. I'm gonna take you around, show you some of what's out here. Man, we got everything out here. I mean, there's cars. There's an MG. There's a Bel Air. There's Chevelles. There's Camaros. There's new Corvettes, new Mustangs, old Mustangs. We got a little bit of everything out here. Just past the cheerleaders. We wave for you. We got a Hudson Hornet. Don't see them running around very much. I'm not even sure what that thing is, but it looks cool. Love the Bumblebee. The Superman car.
That's kind of cool.
But yeah, this was a car show to benefit the cheerleading squad. So they got a lot of cars out here. If you happen to be in the Yulee area, it's probably the biggest show going on around today. But if you are in the area and you want to come on out, we'll be out here till, I think they said 2 o'clock.
We got a little bit of Jimmy Buffalo down here for you.
Got a little bit of everything out here. I love that Volkswagen. Yeah, we got trucks. We got all kind of stuff out here. I mean, this is one of those shows that just attracts all kinds.
I like that answer, that boy. I know you're not doing it. Yeah. Come on, man. Don't be wasting all this shit, man. I'm a reflect.
Got everything out here. I mean, you know, this is one of those shows you love to come out to because you're not going to see the typical car show stuff. I mean, I think we got 4, 5, 6 different clubs out here representing.
Yes. Yes, sir. Halfway here in the 37 came up. Oh, no, what happened?
But anyway. So, yeah, I just thought I'd take you around, show you what's out here.
Go ahead.
You're okay, go ahead. But anyway, just thought I'd show you around, take you around. This one's for a good cause. It's raising money for the cheerleaders because they're, you know, everything in the school system is underfunded these days. And they actually found a creative way to raise money for theirs. You know, instead of washing cars or selling, you know, dinners or anything, they organized a car show, which is kind of neat. So I got to give them props for that. They actually had somebody think it up and do a car show. So if they hadn't, we wouldn't be here. So anyway, I think I'm going to about wrap this stream up. I've showed you just about everything. Oh, funny story about this car show. I came out in the dashboard. There it is right there. And they're selling raffle tickets for raffle items. And when I first got here, there was one of the cheerleader coaches was pacing off my truck. And I was like, what? I wonder what she was doing. And she comes around to the other side where I was. She goes, you want to buy raffle tickets? We're going to use your truck as the longest in the lot. So for about the first, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes, my truck was the longest in the lot. And then we had an F-250 show up that's just slightly longer. So, but anyway, I thought that was a funny story. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this stream up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. I'm going to be out here the rest of the day. So this is the only stream you're going to have today from me. But I will be posting the videos this week. I'm a little behind on posting the videos, but I'll get them out this week. It'll probably be Wednesday, maybe Thursday. I don't know. So look for them to come your way. And peace out. We'll see you on the next one.
Come on. This young lady, come on over here. Come here, I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. Come on, man, do the slide with me. Man, come on. Yeah. We got a lot of fakers out there that telling me you don't know how to do the slide and you don't want to learn. I just do the slide way. Just try to stay deep. Shake it. Come on, here. I met you. Let's go. Come over here. Where you going? You want to shake? Hey, young lady walking down the street right here.
Very entertaining.
Once I get done, I'm gonna go back up this way and get the cars that I couldn't get.
Yeah.
More shaded earlier.
Yeah.
Because they're in full sunlight now.
Yeah.
Come on over here.
I'm gonna go back and get the hat.
Come on.
Yeah, go ahead.
T-shirt. Come on.
It's gonna be a little bit.
Get out here. Okay. All right. Come over here. I'll give you a T-shirt. We're going to do the combination show after that. I got to give these ladies a T-shirt and these boys. Come on, what size you want? I ain't got you can use it for a night shirt.
Yeah, you see what I mean by it being just a little bit bigger.
Yeah. A little bit longer.
It's probably right at 20 and mine's at 19. Yeah. Convertible hardtop.
Yeah. It's Superman called it.
Yep, I got him earlier.
Yeah. And the Bumblebee.
Yep.
Yeah, we saw that in that Commerce.
Yep. Is there anything else you want to get?
That one wasn't there when I came through here.
The end one on the end?
Yeah.
I don't even know what it is.
No.
There's your Ferrari race car.
Yeah, I got a picture of that.
I know it's sketchy.
Different.
Yeah?
All right, and go back that way?
Yeah.
All right.
Down this side or the outside?
Go outside.
Okay.
Sorry. I didn't have any appropriate
Blue
I
shade?
thought her was further down.
Maybe.
Nope. No, still here.
Getting my walking in today. Of course, I could stand the walking weather like this with the wind. We've seen the Wiley Cove.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
I want to see somebody climb into that one. Our truck's back there too. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, he told me all about it. He told me all about it.
Just looking. That's kind of neat. Clean.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, no, they got a picture of that one. If I don't know, I better get a picture of it just in case.
Yeah. The tires on that one.
Yeah. Seen him a couple times.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I know I didn't get a picture of that one.
Oh, the red pickup there.
I'll get a picture of it from this angle.
Yeah, Cody.
Yep.
Mr. Sue.
This is my dream car. You know it's
That's got to be a woman's car. Truck.
Yep.
I think. I got a picture of that one over there.
You notice the LED on the underside of the hood?
Yeah.
What's your name? All right, you ladies are fantastic. I can't believe it. You did great things.
Read the plaque on that.
For $100.
Yep.
Wow. Yeah. That's neat. They keep the cars clean.
Ready to go back? Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.